I actually owned my first EV when I was living in California in 2019. At the time, I drove a gas-powered car and it died on me on the highway. And I decided at that point that I knew I was only going to be in California for one more year. My family and I were moving back to Fairfax County, and I decided, hey, what the heck, I'll try an EV.
I think what led us to want an electric car is we were looking to upgrade. We sold our other car, and we saw that it was when the gas prices were really high, and we were kind of pushing us more and more to the electric car. And seeing as how the electric grid is kind of expanding more and more, and it'll only get better, we thought that it'd be a good investment now to just get one and be ahead of saving money on the gas as it increases in price.
I like the idea of it. I used to drive an F-150, so I was burning lots of gas, but I had a lot of hauling capacity, obviously. But our lives changed, and the fact that we can generate solar electricity to power the cars, actually, I could do that absolutely here if I wanted to. The amount of electricity that I can generate in a good day surpasses what I will use in a week for the car.